So Samsung has an event coming up, Unpacked. That's what they always call it whenever they do anything new and cool. This one is of particular interest to me because I am Mr. Folding Phone. Yeah, that's what I go by. It's my alias. I just been using it for a while. I, for some reason, can't change phones. Like, I'm flipping this thing, and at first I was, like, early days of the Fold when you had the, I don't know, first gen, and everybody was nervous, and I didn't know what to expect durability-wise or if it was a good, like, lifestyle fit. Heavy in the pocket, obviously not without its downsides, but somehow it's persisted in my life and in my pocket. And when I don't have it or I try something else, I just wish I had the big display back in certain circumstances where I'm like really browsing, where I'm like zooming, I like things like Google Maps. And when I'm really browsing and I fold open the thing, and even to this day, I still get comments when I go to pay for something with the tab, and I'm at the Starbucks and the barista is like, is that an iPad? What? Excuse me, is that an iPad? And then I have to proceed to explain the whole thing. Don't ask me why they're British, okay? You're not supposed to be talking today, you know that? You said that before with the throat and everything else.
Yeah.
He's on the mend, ladies and gentlemen. And so if you're sitting there wondering, like, hey, why am I not getting more Lou later? He's to blame, not me. Couldn't possibly be me.
No.
Anyway, so they got an upcoming event. They're going to do a new model. It's time for a new model. And it's not just a new model of the Z Fold, but also the Flip. And they seem to be advertising the Flip here on their poster, August 10th, 2022. And you can see it's in the shape of the greater than sign.
Okay.
You see that? How you have like the little angle?
Uh-huh.
Which means it's greater than the last version.
Right.
Isn't that what that means, Will?
Is it?
I don't know. I presume every time. Doesn't that always bother you when they say the best, this is the best iPhone ever we've ever made? It's like, well, yeah.
Yeah, it's the next version.
Yeah.
Obviously.
This is not the best version we've ever made. Well, I don't want it then. It's got to be better every time. It's how technology works.
But this is cryptic. I'm thinking about this now.
What? Oh, the shape?
Greater than?
I don't know. Is it bigger? Like maybe it's a bigger screen size, screen to body ratio, greater than some other phone, better battery life. It's going to be, it has to be greater in almost every category.
Okay.
Samsung has provided a clear solution to the unusual puzzle it provided yesterday, confirming that its Galaxy Unpacked event will indeed take place August 10th. The image included with the teaser also confirms that its foldables will be taking center stage, with the Galaxy Z Flip shaped device acting as a greater than symbol. It will start at 9 a.m. Eastern and be streamed on Samsung.com. I don't know if it'll be streamed on YouTube. Can we stream it? What's going on with that, Will? You talking to these people?
We could. Yeah.
We might have something to say about it.
I think so.
We might get our hands on those devices.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm excited to check out the new one. I'll probably end up using it, and if they can make it like lighter or something, would be incredible. Because I would say that's the biggest. Like when I pick up one of these new phones, I just unboxed the Pixel 6a. I'm just, holy cow, this thing is. Or even, well, there's probably another device I haven't put out the video yet, but the Nothing phone, obviously. You're holding these modern phones, they get lighter and lighter and lighter. And it's not a thing that I thought that I needed or cared about. In fact, many make the argument that you have these premium materials, you have a heavier phone, it feels more expensive, something like this. But I'm starting to notice it more and kind of wish that I had a lighter phone in the pocket, different circumstances. And so if they can trim this one down a little bit, but to still have this amazing unfolding thing, then maybe it's going to be the perfect fit for me. We'll find out more, obviously, August 10th. Maybe slightly before that, but you'll find out August 10th. Well, not you.
Will.
We all will.
Yeah.
I was looking at the camera.
Oh, okay.